What's up with y'all, man? Pulse TV here, back with another one. We still on the truck. Last time, man, I checked in. Pretty much the whole front end was on. Today, man, we finna put the battery tray back in it. We put the headlights in, man, and finna go get a timing light put on this thing. Try to get all this done today. We're gonna try to get a timing light put on it, man, so I can finish adjusting on this carburetor, man, because I'm still getting that popping and stuff, man. So that's what we got going, man. Y'all know what to do. Stay tuned. We finna get to work. Alright, man, here she go. Or here he go, rather. Iron Man. The great Iron Man. Yes, sir. The great Iron Man said you can't take him out the game. He don't go down that easy. Great Iron Man, baby. But anyway, we finna get this. I think the only thing left, man, is battery tray down in there. Couple grounds and stuff they got to go back in. And shoot, man, I'm thinking that's about it. Oh, I got to hook the hood hinge back up, even though it don't hold nothing. But the hinge over there, probably can't see it, it's too dark. But the hood hinge back up. I ought to go ahead and put the new ones on, man. But we'll hold off on that part. But yeah, man. So that's what we're gonna get done this episode: headlights, ground straps, battery trays, and probably go ahead and try to put some of this trim on this thing, get that trim off that old one and throw it on there. And yeah, man, so y'all just stay tuned. Y'all know it's finna go down. We finna get to work. And hey, we finna drive it today. I don't care what it look like. Oh man, it ugly without no grill in it. I don't care nothing about none of that. We finna ride, baby. Old school riding, baby. Alright, man, here we go with the old radiator support. Still got this chrome piece I got to get off. I think there's some 10s up under there. I got to try to get up on there and get them. So we back on the back of the truck. So had to buy these headlights because one of my buckets got messed up, and from what I seen, you can't buy these buckets. So I had to buy 4 buckets off of a El Camino. 4 buckets. And but not gonna use those lights. We're gonna go ahead and upgrade. We're gonna go with some of these. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. The LED lights. Try them out. They bright. They should do the job. And also got some of these things. We're finna get ready to put the door panels back on. See if I can get that to focus in. Hold on. There we go. These will attach the door panels. I've been waiting on these for a while, so we're gonna finally put them back on. That may be another video though, but finally put them back on. But anyway, we back to the subject at hand. We're finna get ready to take these lights out of these buckets and put my lights in there. So let's get to that. We're gonna do that. We're gonna get the trim off, And once we get ready to throw this stuff on the new one, I'll check back in with y'all. Man, I had to go pull out the drill for this thing, man. These things, they rough. They rough, man. I had to go pull the drill out, man. These things wasn't coming off with my hand, man. Man, listen to that crack when they come off, man. These things tight as I don't know what, man. Listen. Man, these things straight cracking and stuff, man. I can't get these things off my hand, man. Should have been doing this anyway. Working smarter, not harder. But man, I should have been using it. Got lazy, didn't want to go get my battery. Glad I went ahead and got it. Really didn't have a choice, cause man, these things were tight, man. Anyway, man, I'm gonna finish getting this out, man. I just want to check in and, you know, talk to y'all for a minute. But we're finna keep getting these off. We're gonna get the new one thrown in. Yeah, they rusty. Yeah, they rusty. But we ain't finna do nothing about that right now. We finna throw these things on rusties on the what. Like I said, man, a lot of this stuff we gonna go back and do, cause they're gonna come back off anyway in a couple months. So a lot of this stuff just temporary. Oh god, come on. Come on, baby. Ah, we got a troublemaker. Going too good. I knew I had to have a troublemaker somewhere. Come on, man, don't do me like this. Got one that want to play with my emotions, man. One. All the rest of them came out beautifully. Anyway, man, look like we're gonna be fighting with this one. So check back in with y'all in a few minutes. All right, man, got that done. Got all the headlights switched out. Here go the old ones. I'm guessing they some good, so I'm gonna just put these in the shop. Put them out there in the shop, have them for later. Even though they ain't that bright, but hey, never know when I may need them in the nick of a time. I got to wait on one to come in, just throw one of them in and keep riding. So anyway, here we go. We on to this trim. We on to this old trim on this top part. Still got some more parts we got to get off of it. Got to get all these little, even though they broken and about messed up, I still got to use them for the time being to hold that harness, because it's hanging real low. Kind of messed up, but it'll still hold. Got to get those out. And there's some nuts up under there. I can't get y'all up under there to see them. See if I can get y'all to one. There's one right there. See if I can get y'all to it. Right there. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Focusing on that. But yeah, gotta get them out. I think they 10s, but we finna find out. Alright, man, here we go. The lights are officially in Iron Man, baby. Some LED things in there. Yes, sir. Beast mode, Iron Man. Yes, sir. Look good in there, baby. Wait till that grill come in Monday, baby. We coming back in. Yes, sir. Got to come back bigger and better. Yes, sir. We did just that. Bigger and better with them LEDs in there, buddy. Yes, sir. Got to put the little trim on the side. Right there. Put the little trim on the side that goes right there up to that one and back down to this one. But I got that on back of the truck. We're gonna put that on probably next time, man. We're gonna wait till the grill and stuff come in and do some more stuff. Gotta get this harness neatened up right here, man. But y'all hang tight, man. Before I end this video, I'm gonna power these lights up for y'all, let y'all see how bright they is, man. So y'all stay tuned for that. So alright, man, we tuning back in. I'm gonna turn the camera brightness down. Maybe I can see them. Try to turn this camera down some. Anyway, I tried to turn the brightness down some, man, but there they go. LEDs, they on bright. It's bright right there. And I'm gonna cycle them down so y'all can see what the dim lights look like. This in the daytime, man. They that bright in the daytime. Really see these things at night. Here go my dim lights. Still bright, man. Dim lights. I'll take a few of the LEDs out, like a T-shape. But anyway, man, that gonna wrap this one up. When the grill come in, we're gonna check back in, man. We're gonna come back in. We're gonna put the door panels on. We're finna make some progress. We're gonna get this thing in some primer too, man, before long, because I already know these E-coats ain't waterproof, so I know before long this E-coat gonna be coming off and they're gonna be rusting. So we're gonna go ahead and start taking this front end apart. Well, not apart, but we're gonna start ahead and start sanding it down to get it painted. Still gotta put that side light in right there and on the other side. But anyway, man, that's gonna wrap up this video. Finna go get the timing done. I ain't gonna record that because I got my cousin helping me with that one. So I ain't gonna record that part. But man, hopefully next time we check in, Iron Man will be running correctly. And I'm gonna show y'all these lights at nighttime too, man, in another video. Show y'all how bright they is at nighttime. So anyway, appreciate everybody that and subscribed and liked all the videos and that supporting the channel, man. I really appreciate y'all. Anyway, till the next time, man. Gone.